How to show logs on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show logs easily and fast. First thing, go to Epic Games, as you can see right here, click on Unreal Engine and go down to settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options, but all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just scroll down like this and click on show logs. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.